Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna, and I'm here with Alex.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be back with you today.
If you're listening right now, you're probably trying to improve your English little by little. And guess what? That's exactly how English should be learned, step by step, day by day.
Yes, today's episode is all about daily English vocabulary practice, but not in a boring way. No long lists, no difficult explanations.
Instead, we'll practice vocabulary through real conversations, the kind of English people actually use in daily life.
You'll hear simple words, useful expressions, and natural responses. Perfect if you want to improve your listening, speaking, and confidence.
Here's how today's episode works. We have 5 conversation segments. Each segment focuses on a different daily situation.
Only 2 speakers in each conversation, so it's easy to follow.
We recommend you do 3 things while listening. First, just listen and enjoy. Second, listen again and repeat some sentences out loud. And third, try to use the words in your own daily life.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need practice.
All right, let's jump into our first conversation. Ryan, you look exhausted. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed late and woke up early.
That explains a lot. Mornings can feel stressful when everything moves too fast.
Exactly. I woke up late, skipped breakfast, and rushed out of the house.
Skipping breakfast always makes my day worse. I feel tired and unfocused.
Same here. I grabbed a coffee, but it didn't help much.
Coffee helps a little, but it's not magic. Did you at least bring lunch?
No, I forgot. I'll probably buy something later.
That happens to me too. When I'm in a hurry, I forget simple things.
Today feels like one of those days where nothing goes as planned.
Don't worry, the day is still young.
You're right. I guess I just need to slow down.
Exactly. Take a deep breath, one task at a time.
Thanks, Emma. Talking to you already makes me feel better.
Anytime. Sometimes all we need is a calm conversation.
I really needed to hear that today. My mind feels less crowded now.
I'm glad. Sometimes we put too much pressure on ourselves.
Yeah, I always feel like I have to do everything fast.
Fast doesn't always mean better. Slow and steady can actually save energy.
That's true. When I rush, I make more mistakes.
Exactly. Then you spend more time fixing them.
I never thought about it that way.
Try starting with small changes. Maybe wake up 10 minutes earlier tomorrow.
That sounds doable.
And even a simple breakfast helps. A banana or a piece of bread is enough.
I usually skip it because I think I don't have time.
You always have time for yourself. You just have to choose it.
You're right. I should take better care of myself.
Work is important, but your health matters more.
Thanks for reminding me.
Anytime. If you feel overwhelmed again, just talk.
I will. This conversation really changed my mood.
Good. Now let's get through the day calmly.
Deal. One step at a time.
Mark, are you ready to order?
Almost. I'm still deciding.
You always take so long at coffee shops.
I know, there are too many choices.
I usually keep it simple. One drink, no changes.
I wish I could do that. I overthink everything.
What are you in the mood for today?
Something warm and not too sweet.
Then just get a latte.
That sounds safe.
Safe is good sometimes.
You're right. I'll order that.
See? Decision made in less than 1 minute.
I should practice doing that more often.
Life is full of small decisions. Not all of them need stress.
Thanks for the advice and the patience.
No problem. Now let's enjoy our coffee.
I really admire how calm you are when making choices.
It wasn't always like this. I used to worry a lot too.
Really? You don't look like that at all.
I learned that spending too much time deciding only makes me tired.
That's true. Sometimes I feel exhausted before I even do anything.
Exactly. Energy is limited, so I try not to waste it on small things.
I never thought about it that way.
Think of decisions like this. Some are important and some are not.
And coffee is not important.
Right. If the coffee's warm and tastes good, that's enough.
I like that mindset. Simple and practical.
You can start with small steps, like today.
Ordering a latte without changing my mind?
Exactly. That's progress.
I feel strangely proud of myself.
You should. Small wins matter.
Thanks, Lily. This coffee already feels better.
See? Good coffee, good conversation.
I guess I'll stop overthinking, at least for today.
That's a great place to start. Nina, did you see that message from our manager?
Yes, I did. I was surprised.
Me too. I thought we were done for the day.
Same here. I was already planning to relax.
Looks like we need to finish one more task.
At least it's not urgent.
True. We can handle it tomorrow morning.
I like that plan. I don't want to rush things.
Neither do I. Working calmly helps me think better.
Let's reply and confirm.
Good idea. Clear communication always helps.
All right, message sent.
Great. Now we can actually relax.
By the way, what are you doing after work today?
Honestly, nothing special. I just want a quiet evening.
That sounds perfect. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what we need.
I agree. I've been feeling a bit tired lately, both physically and mentally.
Same here. Work has been busy these past few days.
That's why I try not to bring work stress home.
It's not easy, but it's important.
Yes, when I don't rest properly, I can't focus the next day.
I noticed that too. Rest actually helps productivity.
Exactly. People often forget that. Do you have any plans to relax? Maybe I'll cook something simple and watch a movie.
That sounds nice. Home-cooked food always feels comforting.
What about you?
I might take a short walk and listen to music.
That's a good way to clear your mind.
Yeah, after today, I think we both deserve a calm evening.
I couldn't agree more.
All right, let's head out.
Sure. See you tomorrow, refreshed and ready.
Sophie, do you ever feel tired for no clear reason?
All the time.
I thought it was just me.
No, it's normal. Life can be mentally tiring.
I didn't even do much today.
Sometimes doing nothing is still exhausting.
That makes sense.
That's why small talks help. They lighten the mood.
Like this conversation?
Exactly.
I already feel more relaxed.
Me too. Talking helps more than people think.
I guess we don't always need a big reason to feel tired.
Exactly. Sometimes it's just a mix of thoughts, small worries, and daily routines.
I keep telling myself I should be more productive.
That pressure can be exhausting too.
True. Social media makes it worse.
Yes. You see everyone doing amazing things and you start comparing yourself.
Then you feel like you're falling behind.
But most people feel the same way. They just don't talk about it.
That's comforting to hear.
Talking honestly helps us realize we're not alone.
I should do this more often.
You should. Even short conversations can make a big difference.
I feel lighter already.
That's the power of sharing simple thoughts.
Maybe tomorrow won't feel so heavy.
It won't. And if it does, you know who to talk to.
Thanks, Sophie. I really appreciate this moment.
Anytime. We all need a little space to breathe. And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
You've just listened to real-life conversations filled with daily English vocabulary.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be complicated. Simple conversations can teach you a lot.
Try to repeat some sentences you heard today. Use them in your daily life.
Even small practice makes a big difference over time.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
We'll see you in the next episode of Simple English Space. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy learning English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.